I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so you don't hit blocks later. Make sure you have an active Google account and enable two-step verification for security. Once ready, sign into the Firebase console and click Add Project. Enter a clear project name and choose the default location. This affects latency and legal region. Make sure to enable or skip Google Analytics now depending on your needs. After that, create the project and wait for Firebase to provision resources. This usually takes a minute or two. Once the project exists, configure core services that your app will use. You should enable authentication providers you plan to support, because sign-in flows and credentials differ per provider. Next, set up your database. Choose Firestore or real-time database, pick a location, and adjust security rules for dev versus prod. Then register each client app, iOS, Android, or web, copy or download the config files and SDK snippets. Make sure to add SHA keys for Android and the bundle ID for iOS to avoid later build errors. To finish, install and log into the Firebase CLI, then initialize and deploy hosting or cloud functions as needed. You should run local tests, sign in, perform basic reads and writes, and verify security rules behave as intended. Once deployed, monitor the Firebase console for errors and performance metrics. If something breaks, check console logs first. Next, verify API keys and OAuth redirect URIs, and confirm billing is active if a quota or permission error appears. Reply after fixes and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.